Hello everyone, welcome back to Gist of Maths. In the previous video, we have already learned the prime factorization by tree method, and today we will do the prime factorization by division method. So without any delay, let's get started. So let's take an example 225. Now this 225 is divided by the least divisible prime number subsequently until the prime number will come. As 225 is not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2, so we go for 3. And here 3 can divide 225 completely and we get 75, and this 75 is again divided by 3 and we get 25. Now this 25 is an odd number which is divisible by 5 only. Okay. So the 25 is divided by 5 and we get 5. Now these 5 is again divided by 5 and we get 1, which is the least prime number. And all these are the prime factors of the 225. Okay. So here it can be written like this. The prime factorization of 225 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 1. Okay. Here is another example 120. As 120 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2, which is the least prime number. So 120 is divided by 2 and we get 60. This 60 is again an even number, so it is divided by 2 and we get 30. 30 is again divided by 2 and we get 15. Now this 15 is an odd number which is divisible by 3 and 5 prime numbers. Now 3 is the least prime number, so we divide this 15 by 3 and we get 5. 5 is a prime number and this 5 is divided by 5 and we get 1, which is the least prime number. So all these are the prime factors of the 120, which can be written like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. Here is another example 37, which is a prime number, so it can be divisible by the number itself and 1. So the 37 is divided by the number itself 37 and we get 1, which is the least prime number. So these two are the prime factors of the 37, which can be written like 37 into 1. Okay. So today up to this guys. In the next video we will discuss the HCF in different methods. So if you have any doubt or want to get this video in Bengali or Hindi, please mention it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, keep learning. Thank you.